Hey everybody, welcome into the Fallout Shelter. Got a couple of government documents on cloud seeding and weather modification. First of all, I want to wish everybody here in the States a happy Independence Day, happy July 4th. Hope you had a great, happy, and safe day. And for anybody else listening, I hope you are having a blessed and wonderful day as well. Be proud of wherever you live. I have some documents that are government documents based on weather modification. First, from the County of Los Angeles, notice of request for proposals for as-needed weather modification services. This is May 19th, 2015. Please take notice that the Public Works request proposals for the contract as needed weather modification services. This contract has been designed to have a potential maximum contract term of 5 years, consisting of an initial 1-year term and 4 potential additional 1-year option renewals. The total, man, that keeps jumping on me. The total annual contract amount of these services is estimated to be $550,000. The request for proposals with contract specifications, forms, and instructions for preparing and submitting proposals may be accessed at dpw.lacounty.gov ASD/contracts. That is the Department of Public Works for Los Angeles County. Please check the website for frequent. This is old. I doubt that's still up on the website. Man, what we're going to do is, this is a request for proposal. It goes out and people use this to send in their pricing and all of their certificates for a government contract. I'm not going to go through this thing in detail. It's like 330 something pages of contract. I'll post a link in the description. What I am going to hit real quick is where the scope of work is. And we want to go to page 70. That's where that starts. There we go. This is down here at the scope of work is where you actually start to get what will be done at the job. It's not all of the technical legal jargon that goes along with it. Contractors shall be responsible for providing telephone, commercial power, and auxiliary power services to the proposed cloud seeding control center and nucleating generator equipment. The project control center shall be capable of maintaining fully operational status of all radar systems, radio and telephone communication systems, and remote seeding generator control systems using auxiliary power without commercial electrical power for a minimum of 24 hours. All costs for any project control site shall be included in the cost of the project. This is all cloud nucleating, cloud seeding, and this is the legal contractor staffing. They have to have a meteorologist, maintenance, and technical support, remote weather monitoring technique. All right, proposed equipment. Chemical makeup of nucleating agent, fuel or propellant to be used. Capability of nucleating agent supply, gallons or grams per hour, etc., which is chemical, not water vapor. Capacity of fuel supply, compressed natural gas, flare duration, or other units if appropriate, including maximum continuous hours of operation per station. It just keeps going on and on and on and on. It goes down a little further, and you get into deeper, and it also says all weather modification generators shall use silver iodide as a seeding agent. The remotely operating seeding devices shall be equipped with the following features: capability of igniting multiple 150-gram flares of silver iodide containing combustible material within 15 minutes. And there is a lot more in this document. I'm going to do a live stream on it and go through it in more detail when I have time to be really long and boring. These contracts are full of a lot of legality stuff that just deals with insurances and all that. I've come across a lot of things on here though that make it worth going into. Now this was 2015, and this is some of the August 11th, 1976. There was a decision made by the Government Accountability Office where RFP for research program called for specific range of experience for each person assigned by offeror, award to offeror whose personnel had experience qualifications equivalent to, although not exactly the same as, that specified and whose personnel team as a whole had the required range of experience is not improper. However, agencies should make clear to offers in future solicitation of this type that equivalent qualification would be acceptable and that total team qualifications would be considered. North American Weather Consultants protest the award of a cost reimbursement type contract by the Bureau of Reclamation, Department of Interior to Environmental Research and Technology, Inc., pursuant to solicitation number 5-07-DR12080. The RFP called for supporting and performing weather modification research as part of a cooperative research program, Project Skywater. I'm going to leave a link to all of this in the description. I'm going to do more in-depth detail research on it and be looking for more government documentation like this. Cloud seeding, frequently asked questions in LA County. Cloud seeding is a common term for one form of weather modification. Modern cloud seeding is used for a variety of reasons, including increasing the amount of rainfall produced from clouds, reduce hail from thunderstorms, and eliminate fog that reduces visibility at busy airports. But these are your government documents stating that they are definitely modifying the weather. If you find yourself enjoying this at any time, I appreciate it. And once again, I hope you all have a wonderful 4th of July. Keep it safe, and much love from Fallout Shelter.